Your brain's not broken. It's just addicted. Addicted to quick hits, endless scrolls, and noise. If focusing feels impossible lately, you're not alone. But in the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to take back control of your focus. Right now, focusing feels like holding water in your hands. You sit down to work, and suddenly your brain's like, let's just check TikTok real quick. Boom. 30 minutes gone. You don't even remember what you opened the app for. The problem? Your brain is chasing dopamine, fast, cheap hits that kill deep focus. But here's the fix. And no, it's not deleting your phone. It's about rewiring your mind step by step. So here is how you can do it. Cut down your screen time. Start small, 15 minutes less per day. Move your social apps off the home screen. Out of sight, out of mind. Switch your phone to grayscale. Make it boring on purpose. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable, boring, empty. That's good. That means your brain is finally slowing down. Can't even read a full page without zoning out? Start with focus sprints. 25 minutes of deep work, 5-minute break. Train your attention like a muscle. Feel the urge to check your phone? Don't. Sit with it. Let it pass. That's how you take control back. Read something long form every day. A book, an article, whatever you can stick with. Even 5 pages count. This builds real focus. Multitasking? Total scam. Switching between tabs every 2 minutes isn't working. It's draining you. Do one thing at a time. Get distracted? No problem. Write it down and come back. Turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Clean your workspace. Clutter outside equals clutter inside. Want a natural way to reset? Get some sunlight in the morning. Even 5 minutes helps your brain reset. Walk barefoot on grass or sand. Connect with the ground. Take walks without your phone. Let your mind breathe. Meditate. 5 minutes a day is enough. No phone, no noise, just you and your thoughts. It feels weird at first, but it rewires your brain to focus better. This won't be easy. Your brain's been trained for distraction, but every small step rewires your focus muscle. Soon, reading full chapters, working without interruptions, and finishing tasks will feel natural again. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Take back control, one habit at a time. You've got this.